I think if you asked me in 2018 when I took over the Canadian men's team, what the team would look like in 2022, it was completely different to what I started with. And this is part of the journey that will go on. Some players will stay and some will continue this road and continue to fight for Indonesia and increase the quality. But we have to win matches. I have to find players that have that absolute desire, the killer instinct, the passion, the will to come here, to fight for you, for everyone, to ensure that we qualify for 2030. That's the mission. So I can't tell you now the dream team in my first year, because by the time I got to the World Cup, Alfonso Davies had appeared, Jonathan David, Dejan Buchanan, players playing in the top leagues in the world. I think Indonesia is only getting started. I think we have more potential, and more players will appear. We'll look at Europe, we'll look at our local players. Again, Donny Tree for me is a player that has massive potential, huge potential to be a top player. And again, watching Rizky Rido, Beckham Putra, they're three players that have shown a lot of confidence, and I trust them. I trust them to express themselves, and they're growing, and they'll only get better with the coaching, and they'll get better with the players they're playing with. So I believe the team you see now will be different in time. There is no dream team. It will get better, it will improve, and we'll find more new players, and the players you see now will improve.